Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials so the removal works. Make sure battery is above 20% and network access is available. Without that, remote methods fail. Once done, check you remember the Google account tied to the phone because account recovery is the safe fallback. Next, enable USB debugging if you can access settings. Otherwise, prepare a PC and USB cable for ADB commands. These initial steps set up both simple and advanced routes, so you aren't blocked later. If you can reach settings, go straight to security and change the screen lock. That's fastest. If locked out, use Google Find My Device. Sign in, locate the phone, and use lock or erase. Erase resets the PIN but removes data. For advanced users with USB debugging enabled, connect to a PC and use ADB. Open a shell and run the lock settings command to clear the PIN. This method preserves data when supported. Make sure to authenticate with your account when prompted. After clearing or changing the PIN, restart the phone and verify you can access the home screen. If you used Find My Device and erased, sign in with the same Google account to restore backups. Once done, re-enable security like biometrics or a fresh PIN to stay protected. If none of the routes worked, boot into recovery and perform a factory reset as a last resort. This wipes data. Troubleshooting tip. If authentication keeps failing, check your account password on another device to.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.